We've seen how we can select and interact with objects using a number of techniques that use our body or more traditional controllers. But for it to be a real interaction, those objects have to respond to us. There are many different ways that we might want an object to respond to us. If you're a coder, you can pretty much program the objects to do what you want. But in the next few videos, we'll concentrate on two powerful techniques that don't need much coding at all. The first is to use algorithms to simulate the physics of how things move in the real world. This is great for creating a lot of dynamic, interactive movement, where the objects respond to every detail of your interaction. Though it is more suitable for simple movements like a bouncing ball than the complex movements of a person. The other is to use keyframe animation, normally coming from hand animation. Animation like this isn't normally very interactive because the animation is created ahead of time and all you can do is play it back. But you can choose different animation clips based on what the user does. We can do this using a technique called state machines. Both of these techniques are useful for different things. Physics is great for very dynamic interaction, but for quite simple objects like balls. Keyframe animation can create a far more complex movements, but only allows for a small number of different responses, not the near infinite responses to every detail of movement that you can achieve with physics. So let's get started with physics and state machines.